In today's video, I'll show you how to edit your WooCommerce checkout page so you can create a cleaner, more professional and user-friendly checkout experience. This is one of the most important pages in your store, so customizing it properly can make a big difference in conversions. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard and heading to the Pages section. Look for the page named Checkout and open it with Gutenberg. When the editor loads, you'll probably see an old shortcode that says WooCommerce Checkout. That shortcode is the outdated method, so simply delete it. Now open the block inserter and search for the checkout block. Add it to your page. This instantly gives you the modern WooCommerce checkout layout that is fully compatible with Gutenberg. Next, click the list view icon at the top of the editor. This gives you a clear breakdown of the entire checkout structure. At the top, you'll see the checkout header, where you can add a title, a short message, or branding text. On the left side are the checkout fields, where customers enter their information. On the right side, you'll find the order summary, showing totals, shipping, and taxes. You can click any part of the layout to style it. Use the sidebar settings to adjust spacing, colors, or typography so the checkout page matches your brand. Keep everything clean, simple, and easy to follow because this is where customers make their final decision. Once you're happy with the design, hit the Save button in the top right corner. Your updated WooCommerce checkout page is now live and fully optimized for a smoother customer experience.